Today, we're diving deep into the world of metalworking to show you just how a metal Nike shoe comes to life. This is your one stop for crazy DIY creations, so stay tuned. Just like with an actual Nike sneaker, the success relies on even the smallest details, which is why we're paying attention to every bend, every mold, and every finish. With proper craftsmanship, our shoe is now complete, with an actual Nike logo, even. It might not be really practical to wear and a bit heavy, but it works perfect as a pen holder or a unique conversation starter in your house. Now keep on watching while we transform metal triangles into a trendy hat. With some skillful welding and careful bending, we'll create something that's impossible to ignore. a metal shoe and cap. And the best thing about the cap, you can actually wear it. Might be a bit heavier than your ordinary headdress, but I mean, hey, you'll be sure to turn some heads. Now, remember, keep thinking outside the box, keep on trying your own inventions, and keep on watching. Until next time.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel for more awesome projects.